Hi guys! Glad to see you on this channel. If you love art, craft and DIY projects, please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Let's start today's project. Today we are going to make holes in terracotta pot without using any drill machine. The first thing is, dip the pot in water for at least 1 hour or till no more bubbles appear on the surface of the pot. This will make the process easy and it will avoid crack or break during making holes. We are not using drill machine here. Take a pointed tool like scissors, screwdriver or a nail to make the hole. Take care while using any pointed tool. Apply little amount of water as and when required during making hole. For me, making a hole with pointed tip of scissors was easy than using screwdriver because screwdriver was taking a lot of time and great effort. You can take any pointed tool of your choice. See, it's done. Hope you all like this video. Meet you all in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.